Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the best and must install Android apps of 2020. Most of those apps are not that popular but extremely useful and fun in my opinion, so stay tuned. First on the list is Daywise. It's a great way to stop getting interrupted by unimportant notifications. It will stockpile all your unimportant notifications, such as games, apps that you rarely use, etc. And it will notify you about them in batches throughout the day. That way you will only see your important notifications instantly, such as emails, text messages, missed calls, etc. And you can choose how often you like the batches to come in. And finally, you can even back some of your contacts. Only the important ones can get the hold of you right away. Second on the list is Firefox ScreenshotGo. If you have a lot of screenshots and aren't sure how to organize them, or can't seem to find a specific one, then check out Firefox ScreenshotGo. Not only you can organize and see all your screenshots in one spot, but if your screenshots has text, then you can search for specific keywords to find them quickly. On top of that, you can extract text from any screenshot, and then copy text for further action like open links, etc. Third on the list is Volume Control Panel. It's another must-have for those who are still on Android 8, or still using a device that still doesn't have a new Android 9 or 10. This app lets you obtain that new volume slider. Sure, it's not an exact replication, but it's pretty close comparison. You can even extend it to control multiple volume profiles at once. And you can customize it to make dark, showing you a screenshot button, starting a collapse or extended, and more. And on top of that, they have premier version to unlock even more features and settings. Number 4 on the list is MIUI-ify. It's the perfect solution for anyone who's having trouble reaching their status bar with just one hand, so they can toggle a quick setting style or interact with the notifications. This app, all it does is throw all your notification and quick settings panel to the bottom of the screen for easier access. With just one swipe, you can see and control all your notifications, including the music player, and control the brightness or even the volume of any profile. And it also displays important info that is also on your status bar. Swiping upwards will expand the quick settings panel to quickly toggle system settings. And you can customize it by adding new ones or rearrange them. And you can also change the theme of the entire panel and notifications. And finally, you can customize a ton more options within the settings of the app. Number 5 on the list is Splitscreen Launcher. I'm sure that not all of you using Splitscreen that much. Not because it's useless, but because it's annoying to set up. And unless you have a tablet or giant phone, it's tough to do anything with two separate small screens. That's why I recommend you check out the Splitscreen Launcher. That's not gonna make your screen bigger, obviously, but it will let you create your app shortcuts on your home screen to instantly launch two apps directly into split screen mode. Just open the app, select shortcut, name it, select the top and the bottom app, and then save it. And in the menu that pops up, choose add automatically, and you're good to go. So the shortcut gets added to your home screen, and every time you tap on the shortcut, those two apps get open in split screen mode automatically. Last on the list is Appy Weather. Looking for a fantastic weather app that looks extremely pretty? Check out Appy Weather. Not only does the interface look stunning and unique, but also provides the forecast in a conventional way, instead of just throwing a bunch of random numbers on the screen. The main page will show you the timeline of the current forecast, upcoming weather events, advisory, warnings, sunrise and sunset times, and more. And you can expand each card to bring up even more information. Swiping up on the bottom toolbar will bring up stuff like precipitation, wind speed, humidity, and more. Swiping up to the left will bring up the hourly forecast, and the rightmost screen has the weekly forecast. And you can tap on a day to expand it, and it will give you all the weather information that you need for that day. It's got everything that you want in Weather app, and it's free to download. So that's all for me guys. If you find this video helpful or enjoy it, please leave a comment or a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. Peace out.